blessed Tuesday, everyone. Thanks God because Alhamdulillah, we are okay, we are fine. Sana kayo rin nasa mabuting kalagayan, lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na nasa abroad na katulad ko. Sana okay ka lang kayo dyan at ingat lagi because now outside very hot. So, shout out to all my loyal followers here in this platform, idol, to all my idols, shout out, and to all my friends here. Shout out everyone, happy blessed Tuesday to all. And just enjoy our life. And of course, to my small YouTube channel, shout out everyone, to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, to all my whole family, my siblings, to my Pisa, and my sister in Kuwait. My sister Kuwait is my very close in my heart, and we are like a best friend, but we are sister. Juliet and Vlad, very generous and very intelligent as a chef supervisor. She's very good in cooking, guys, and she's chef supervisor. Says, good morning, happy blessed Tuesday. Enjoy life lang. And to my sisi ko, shout out everyone. Shout out everyone to all my sisi ko. Oh, nawalang music. Ay. Nawalang music. To all my sisi ko, shout out everyone. Sisi ko Miss Lauren Directo all the way from Hong Kong. Sisi ko Agbiag Vlog at Conces. Sisi ko Beatrice Pentili. Sisi ko Princess Freya. Sisi ko Nana Ani YTC. Sisi ko Shali Estrada all the way from Italy. To all my sisi ko, shout out everyone. And Holy Marie Mills TV all the way from United Kingdom, from London. Of course, Coach Samuhin TV all the way from New York City. Of course, to all my to my kuya in Atlanta, my brothers Doc Cesar Domelo, and of course my ate Juliet Domelo in Los Angeles, California. Shout out to everyone. To all my sisters, siblings, shout out to everyone. And to all my friends and not friends, idols, so shout out everyone. That's I'm very happy. Even I'm lonely, but I'm very happy. Ano ba yan? Sisi ko Job Sinaway, shout out. Sisi ko El De Los Santos Lifestyle, Tabibing Ilog, Timbat Cave, but it's not me, all the way from you. Okay, Mek. Sisi ko Mek, shout out. Babaeng Pinagpala, shout out. Mayumi 888, shout out. Licasis GN, John Explorer. Lahat kayo, all my friends, shout out to everyone. Thank you for your support. And God bless us all. Rose Numerol Vlog. Happy blessed Tuesday.